Hey there, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website here, you have some great call to actions here. So you have this form. That will really help with your conversion rates. One thing I do recommend for your website would be to have some more content on here. Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So what they're doing is they're looking at all of the content that you have on here and seeing what all these photos are saved as, and they're looking for keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Kansas City foundation repair. And when your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. But when we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank these businesses here, you want to have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And you also want to maintain a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And so this is where the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes. And this is where your website would be ranking. And you want to be on this first page here because a lot of people will stay on the first page. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking business for this keyword. And if we go through KC Pier, they also have some good call to actions with the forms and the clickable buttons here. It would be really easy to outdo them with the content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have the KC Pier URL plugged into Ahrefs here. We're going to take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website, and they have 34 and 4. And what's making up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 1.9 thousand backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 420 referring domains. And so what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are created the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost this UR and the DR, and then there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So it is important to be intentional here. And then they have 1.2 thousand keywords on their website. And let's go on over to yours. Have your website plugged in here, and you'll have 9 and 0.1. And what's making up your ratings here are the 83 backlinks that you have, and these backlinks are coming from 18 referring domains. And you also have 58 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is you want to boost these numbers here. You do that by getting high quality backlinks. And you also want to make sure that all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you are on your website. One way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into your competitors' backlinks here, and then you would link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a peek at some of the keywords that they have. Foundation repair Kansas City, 700 people are searching for that every single month. 100, 200, 80, 80, 150, 200, 150, 150, and as you can see, this list just keeps going here. And then there are just pages of keywords here. And so in order for you to get more of this traffic for yourself, you would want to make sure that that Google business profile is ranking. And so you want to have more citations there, as well as making sure your website is ranking. So for your website, you would want to add high quality content with buyer intent keywords, as well as making sure you have high quality backlinks linking to your website. And so I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you just to find out if it was helpful or not. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.